Texas asphalt producers are required to submit daily quality control test results using the state-issued Site Manager Excel files. Each file represents a single mix from one plant on one project, essentially telling the compliance story for that project. But plants also need a way to perform plant-level quality control. LASTRADA users can import those Site Manager files and publish their data alongside DOT data directly into LASTRADA. This eliminates double data entry and makes true plant QC possible. In this lightning demo, I will show you how technicians can continue working with familiar Site Manager forms while also building custom QC processes using LASTRADA's proprietary data structure and toolset. The first step in a Site Manager import is to create what we call a feeder declaration, or JMF, with the plant name and applicable specifications in LASTRADA, and connect that to LASTRADA master records, like aggregate sources and binder sources. During the import, LASTRADA will apply the JMF details and complete a declaration for you. We next open the import window and select the Site Manager Excel files we want to import into LASTRADA. In this example, I'm importing 4 files with a total of 12 samples. I select the files I want to import, and then I press Import. Now all 12 samples have been imported and my JMF has been completed. And you can see, in this case, there were no errors. Here's my completed declaration, or JMF, complete with gradation targets, ignition correction factor, as well as binder content target. Thank you for watching. Watch our next recommended video in the Lightning Demo series here, or watch the full playlist. For more resources like this, visit our resources page at lastradapartners.com/resources and subscribe to our channel.